Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over post-purchase email upsells with Bold Upsell. Post-purchase email upsells allow you to send product offers to your customers via email after they have completed a purchase on your store. It's important to note that your customers must accept marketing from your store in order to receive these email offers. Your customer can accept the offer by clicking the Add to Cart button displayed in the email. This automatically directs them back to the cart page on your store with the offered product in the cart. Product offers that are related to your customer's purchase help improve the customer experience. In addition, these types of offers can be more effective as they are marketed to those who are already comfortable making purchases from your store. With that being said, let's go through the setup of a post-purchase email upsell. From within the Bold Upsell admin, navigate to Manual Offers and click Create New Offer. Enter a name for your offer. This is an internal name to help you identify this offer between other offers in Bold Upsell. Click Set a Trigger, and in the Trigger Event dropdown, select Post-Purchase Email Upsells. Under Trigger Products, select either trigger an upsell on specific products or trigger an upsell on every product. The first option allows you to select specific products to act as a trigger product, while the second option will set all products on your store as a trigger for the offer. In my example, I'm going to choose the first option. Click Select Products and select your products or variants you would like to act as trigger products. Once you have selected your trigger products or variants, click Save Selection. If you would like to add a trigger quantity rule, enter a trigger quantity in the next field. This is the minimum number of trigger products a customer must purchase before they will be sent the offer. In the Upsell Offer section, select Set an Offer and enter your desired information in the following fields. In my example, I'm going to offer a premium bag of coffee, so I will adjust the fields to give more details on my premium coffee bag. After you have filled in all the fields for the email, click Select Products and select your offer products or variants you would like to offer in the email offer. Once you have selected your offer products or variants, click Save Selection. If you would like to set a start and end date for your email offer, select Set Date Range and enter a start and end date. If you would like to set a minimum or maximum cart total that must be met for customers to see the email offer, select Set Cart Price and enter a minimum and maximum cart total. Lastly, if you're tracking inventory on any of your offer products and you would like to hide products that are out of stock, enable the toggle next to Hide Products that are out of stock. Click Save Offer at the bottom of the page. Once the offer has been saved, you are brought back to your list of offers. If you did not set a start date for the offer is automatically enabled by default. To test the offer, navigate to your storefront, add a trigger product into the cart, ensure you have met the conditions you have set for your email offer, and purchase an order on the storefront. After I purchase an order, if I open my email I used in the checkout, the post-purchase email offer is automatically sent to me. The body of the email contains the information I added earlier to the email offer in Bold Upsell, along with the featured image of the product I selected earlier. If I click the Add to Cart button in the body of the email, I am directed to the storefront cart page along with the product I added from the email offer. And that's all there is to it. For more information on post-purchase email upsells, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.